Hello, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, April the 6th, 2023. We have only one regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku. Not so good news today because we have also no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles, no additional with extra puzzles. What I will do is to solve an additional in a couple of a couple of days ago. I believe 3 days in a row with no additional, no extra puzzles. Yesterday, day before, so maybe it's almost Easter. So alright, no extra puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, let me show you. News of today. This gorilla is famous gorilla Bokito lives in the zoo of Rotterdam, and he died today. Yes, heart disease. Only 27 years old. Why he is so famous? Because in 2007 he escaped out of the zoo. And scared a lot of people. Died today. 27. Well. Alright. Sudoku Medium. Number. This will be number. 6235. 6235. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Yesterday I've made a mistake with an old puzzle with 2 stars. Was not 25 but 26 printed digits. This one has also 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Which number shall I pick? Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this first row, so no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes appear. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. How about the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in the middle row, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Alright. 9 in the last column. 9 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the third row, so no 6 there, so the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then, cannot continue with the 6 now, need to wait. Okay. Alright. Then, yeah. Wait. 4, 5, 7. Yeah. 1. 1. About the 2, yeah. Yeah. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, not a pair. Overlook this 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Could be here, could be there. Yeah. 9. Come on. 8. 7. 8 and 9. 8, yeah. Need an 8 there. Yeah, 5. Overlooked. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between mid column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 2, 7, 9. The 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, okay. 5. 5. Yeah, gonna be 5. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is a 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 in this box. Here can be 5 because we have 5 in this column, in this row, so no 5 there. Here can be a 5 because we have 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this column should be there. Alright, 5. Then 1, 3, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. In this column, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And look, this box can be a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. This box can be a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2. Well. 2 goes there. Okay. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. 1. Then 1. We have a pair. The 1 and the 7 in this column. The 1 and the 7 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and 7. 1 and 7. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. And look, we have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. Here 5 in this row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. So the 4 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those. 4 and the 6. Okay. So what are these 2 missing numbers then in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for 3 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row will be 3 in the middle row. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright, 3, 3, 7. And now, 3, 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. How about 5 in this row? 5 in the middle row, so row above. The only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the second column, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 8. Alright. Then. Let me see. 189. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 189. 189. And look, we have 1 and 8 in this row, so no 1 and 8 in this box. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 and a 7. Okay. Then 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in the second column for number 1. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 now in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. And look, we have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. The 8 in this column, the 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 1 and the 7. Well, now we have a 1 here in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 it goes There. Finish 40 minutes. Wow, 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 wow. 2 stars. Almost. Almost. Let me give this 1 star. Because I'm faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one. So we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening with the other 3 puzzles in additional. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. See you then. Bye-bye for now.